Hello everyone, welcome to Ash Table. Today I'm going to introduce how to make a beautiful teriyaki chicken. I know there are many teriyaki chickens, recipes on YouTube, but my recipe here is using this mayonnaise. This mayonnaise makes teriyaki sauce very sweet and juicy. So I prefer Korean mayonnaise or Japanese mayonnaise because those ones taste different from other countries. But actually, Korean ones are a bit cheaper than Japanese. So if you don't have this one in the fridge, I would recommend to buy this because you can make yummy food quick and easy anytime. Mayonnaise. So let's get started.